In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is an incredibly handy skill to have when you're working on a presentation and need to reuse the same format or content without starting from scratch. Duplicating slides allows you to quickly and efficiently create a seamless presentation. So, without further ado, let's jump into the process. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. If you're not already in PowerPoint, go ahead and launch the application, then open the specific presentation you want to work on. Once you have it open, you'll see your slides displayed on the left side of your screen. Each slide is outlined in a tiny thumbnail view, which helps you navigate through your presentation. Now focus your attention on the slide you'd like to duplicate. You can scroll up and down through the list of thumbnails on the left side and choose the slide that you want to copy. Select that slide by clicking on its thumbnail. You'll notice that it gets highlighted, typically with a border around it. Once your slide is selected, move your pointer over the slide thumbnail and perform a right click. This will open up a context menu. This menu is filled with a variety of options, but there's one specific choice we're interested in today. Look for the duplicate slide option within this menu. It's often in the middle of the list, but may vary slightly depending on your version of PowerPoint or system preferences. Go ahead and click on Duplicate Slide. As soon as you do this, you'll see an identical slide appear immediately below the original in the slide thumbnail column. This duplicate is an exact copy of the selected slide containing all the same content: text, images, formatting, and animations, if any. This method is efficient and saves you a lot of time that might otherwise be spent manually recreating similar slides. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully duplicated a slide. This simple trick can be used as many times as needed, allowing you to build your presentation with consistent-looking slides quickly. Don't forget, if you need to make minor adjustments to the duplicate, you can easily do so by selecting it and editing the sections you need to change. And there you have it, a straightforward way to duplicate slides in PowerPoint. This technique is particularly useful when you want to maintain a uniform style across several slides, or when you need to present similar information in multiple ways. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your presentation building skills. If you did, make sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks. Happy presenting!